Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to be showing you how I get these astro buns or puffs, whatever you want to call them. And so if you're interested in seeing how I do this, then keep watching. So I'm not really particular about my parting. I just split it down the middle with my hands. So kind of just gauge what, I think is pretty much the middle of my head, because I don't care about really neatness. To me, this is more of a messy look. I'm going to be using these two scrunchies right here. So I just take it and I just make sure I have a little piece down. So what I do is I hold it and I put it into the shape of a bun, like so. And then I just start tying the hair tie around. And the curly pieces that come out, I leave those curly pieces out and just kind of fluff them. And then I do the same thing on the other side. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't want that. You the one that I think about always. You are the one, so I make sure I be. And then after I do this, I pretty much just look at it to see what doesn't look right. So obviously this one's kind of weird. So I just kind of take it and try to shape it like the other bun. So I like how this one looks. So I just decided to take this side down and we're just gonna do it over. I think this style is more like trial and error than anything else. So, because you want like that perfect messy look and not just whatever. So yeah, just pulling it back like I did forward. And then again, once again, I take it like this and I wrap it forward. And as you can see, they're not similar, so I just take them and I wrap. And so I grab the piece that I pushed back so that I can make them look sort of the same. And I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and pin that back. And anything that you see that you want to bobby pin, just bobby pin it. I want this pin back some. And bobby pin this piece back. And here is the finished look. It's super simple and easy, so I hope this helps someone.